Sugar snake experiment. Here we go. I put sugar and baking soda. Oh, look, it's growing a little bit. And not as good as I would have liked.
Wait, take off your shoes.
But it has grown a little bit. And you get it's growing a little bit. Maybe not that much. Well, we'll have to try it again. Oh, there we go. See that there? It's growing a little bit. Yeah. Sugar snake. Well, didn't work as good as the ones you buy, but it's working a little bit. Let's see how big it'll go. That's pretty cool, though. If I would have made it a mound, it probably would have worked better. More of a mound. Let's see here if we can make this more of a... Probably would have been better not to use plastic that melts. Oh, there we go. Come on. It's growing a little bit. There we go. It's that's pretty cool. Okay, I think that's... Wait a minute, is it growing some more? Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Look, it's growing. Now it went out. Okay, well, I'll have to try that again sometime, but it worked okay. Bye.